Hello guys, hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna show you how to clean these kitchen cabinets. As you can see, I have some oil on these cabinets, and also because the wood is porous, there is some sparks of oil because of cooking. So I'm gonna show you how to clean these with just two products, and then keep them clean over time. I'm gonna share a tip that that's something I do to keep my white kitchen cabinets clean, just like new. Keep watching. So the things that you need to clean your greasy kitchen cabinets are here. I basically used to use this dish soap with this sponge, and I would put some of the dish soap on this sponge and rub these kitchen cabinets. But what happened was that because the wood is porous, it tends to soak the water, and sometimes the wood will be damaged. It will swell a little bit. So I stopped doing that, and then I found this product at Menards. So what you have to do is that you get a washcloth, just damp it a little bit, and put a little bit of this product on this washcloth and rub your cabinets with the washcloth. After all the oil and the dirt is clean, then you wash the washcloth and use some more of this product if needed. If not, then get a dry washcloth and rub your cabinets with the washcloth, and it will give your cabinets a shine. After that, what I do is that I also use some of this Murphy's wood cleaner. Basically, what it does is that gives a bit of a shine to my cabinets. Sometimes it also cleans some of the dirt in oil, but the best product that I want to share with you is this one. You can also use this Murphy's oil soap if you want, and if the grease is very stubborn, you can use a squeegee like this, a scrubber like this. So these are all the products that I use to clean my kitchen cabinets. So as you can see, I'm scrubbing my cabinets with this washcloth and this kitchen cabinet cream, and I have scrubbed all the cabinets, and now I'll let this cream stay over there for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'll just clean the cabinets with the damp washcloth. So I have completely cleaned my kitchen cabinets, and as you can see, there is no more oil or dirt on these kitchen cabinets. They look completely clean and better than new. As you can see, there was an oil spot here. There are no more oil spots, and they look completely clean. So I just used these two products, as I already told you. So one thing that I want to mention is that while using this Murphy's oil soap, you just use it a little bit. So this bottle comes with the instructions at the back, but these instructions are for when you are using this to clean the hardwood floors. I usually use just 1 teaspoon in 1 cup of water, and then I use the washcloth and clean the cabinets with that. Now after cleaning my cabinets, what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna use this drop cloth and cut it according to the measurements of my cabinets, and put this drop cloths on my cabinets with the help of a scotch tape. So this way your cabinets will remain clean for a longer period of time, and You will just have to clean them here and there if there is like a splash of oil or something. So if the guests are coming in and you have this drop cloth on your cabinets, you can just take it off and put it on after a few days. I usually clean my cabinets. Another thing that I want to tell you is that I clean them only like once in 2 months. You can do it every month with these products only. And if you're using this drop cloth, you don't even have to clean them. You just remove this drop cloth and just do a little bit of dusting with the washcloth, and your cabinets will be all clean. Just give a try to these 2 products. I'm sure you will like them, and I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.